नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shrimahans, Mahants, Tanedar Kotaris, visitors, viewers, sitting with us through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten App, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now, Twitter and two-way video conferencing having Nayanadiksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I'll expand on Nityatva. Please listen. The space, extreme heat and extreme cold together. Like a source from where the idea of weather emerges, where the matter becoming energy or the energy becoming matter, matter and antimatter nullifying each other and becoming energy, where all this happens just by will without any need for effort. Understand? That dimension is Nityatva. Understand one thing. You need to understand why we should know about Nityatva. Understand? If you know about Nityatva, you will cognize the basis foundation of your existence is Nityatva. Anything you cognize as the foundation of your basis, that becomes your basis. Understand? Because you strongly believed length, breadth, depth is your foundation. That is the fundamental principle on which you exist. You are pushed into this length, breadth, depth dimension. If you decide to cognize listen, if you decide to cognize Nityatva dimension, your inner space will be so beautifully attracted to that Nityatva dimension. It is such beautiful, ecstatic, glorious existence By knowing about it, you will be attracted to it. That is the beauty of it. Nityatva, even by cognizing it, you will be attracted to it. You will start contemplating about it. That idea of Nityatva will start penetrating into you. Understand? Energy becoming matter, matter becoming energy. Anything becomes anything. Big Bang becoming black hole becoming Big Bang. Creation, maintenance and rejuvenation, all this happens in that Nityatva space just by will, without any effort. The effortless existence zone. I tell you. To establish yourself in that effortless existence zone, you just need a simple cognition, understanding, conviction about that space existing in you. All my disciples, you are blessed because you trust me, because of our feeling connection. Whether that feeling connection is the dimension of like a respect and little respect and love mixture, or love, little love and jill mixture, or little jill and chick mixture, whatever. That combination does not matter. If you feel juicy inside your heart just by remembering me, that's enough. That feeling connection, that trust, that love makes whatever I talk as reality in your inner space. Understand? That is the most beautiful, juiciest gift you can have from Guru. Nothing else. Why do you think I am wearing all these jewels? Each jewel is somebody's heart. The person who has given, the moment they see this jewel, their eyes pour. So each of this is the joy and feeling connection of devotees. Understand? Whoever has that feeling connection, you are blessed, because whatever I am talking will just start getting into your inner space. It will start getting deeply entering into your inner space. Your inner space will get soaked into what I am describing. I tell you. Yesterday, I spoke about Nityatva and the blessings of Ganapati. I really tell you, in thousands of places, our devotees fed Ganapati. He drank, he ate chips, he ate banana, what all he ate. He ate everything, he drank everything. He enjoyed. Many devotees who did not have access to a temple or a Ganesha deity, they may not have fed, but they know what I am saying is true because of their deep connection with me. Many people have put a post and sent a message in multiple social media platforms saying that we did not have access to Ganapati temple or Ganesha deity, but we just know Swamiji says it is reality for us. I tell you, that is the power of initiation. That is the power of feeling connection. If somebody tells me I am a teacher, I tell them Tatastu. If somebody abuses, I am a cheater, I tell you, for you, then what to do? That is the way you want life to be for you. So life will respond to you the same way you expect. That's it. Understand? Mahaganapati is so happy that so many people connected with him. He has nothing to gain. Please be very clear. It is not that he was not having milk and banana and chips when you guys are not giving. It is a sweet, beautiful way he bends towards us to confirm the existence of Nityatva and blessing us, opening the doors of Nityatva for us. Understand? Ganesha drinking milk is just exactly the space of Nityatva where the matter gets absorbed into energy. Ganesha is pure energy. The matter, the food or the nivedyam you offer is a matter. The matter just gets absorbed into energy. It's an opening he gives for Nityatva. Understand? By you connecting to Ganesha, Ganesha has nothing to gain, only you have everything to gain. By you having feeling connection with me, I have nothing to gain, only you have everything to gain. Like a length, depth, breadth, Nityatva is one of the dimension of the universe. Listen. Like a length, breadth, depth, time, space, Nityatva is one of the dimension of the universe. சிவபரம்பொருளின் சித்த சுத்த சுகபோத ஞானாசனம் நித்தியத்துவம். சித்தாந்த சைவத்திலிருந்து இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் சொல்றேன், நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்குங்க. இன் சித்தாந்த சைவிசம் ட்ரெடிஷன், சைவ சித்தாந்த ட்ரெடிஷன், நித்யத்துவா இஸ் கன்சிடர்ட் as the seat of Paramashiva. Understand? Like a length, breadth, depth, time and space is the dimensions of the universe. Nityatva is one of the dimension of the universe. Actually, when you cross the level of length, breadth, depth, time and space, it is no more a universe, it is multiverse. Multiple verses exist. That is why Hinduism has multiple gods. It's not that only one God exists. Actually, multiple gods exist. Because the Hindus have gone into the depths of the cosmology, they know the multiverse and they know the multiple gods existing. Listen. Even if you missed yesterday, don't worry. Ganapati is blessing. Even today, he will be available for all of us. I asked him, can you do 24 hours extension? He said, it's okay, have 3 days extension. He gave 72 hours from today. 3 days extension. He also said, he will bless whoever declares their integrity to me and connects through this initiation to Ganapati. Not only he will drink, eat, he will also open the doors of the Nityatva dimension, give you all the blessings. Understand first thing. When the Nityatva space opens inside you, listen intensely. When you experience Nityatva, when that Nityatva dimension starts seeping into you, sinking into you, settling into you, the first thing will happen to you is extreme joy and bliss that these higher dimensions exist. Understand? Economy of life is all about your capacity to be in Nityatva, not the billions of dollars you have. That may be the life of the country you are living. See, your life will be comfortable if you have billions in the country level. If you have Nityatva, your life will be comfortable in the cosmic level. Understanding life of Nityatva will raise the quality of your existence from the moment you understand. My whole life is nothing but working on raising the quality of your existence to the next level. Understand? You have a body. I'm not saying no. This body is your length, breadth, depth existence. That's all. Existence in this 3 dimension. But your existence is not ending in this 3 dimension. Understand, you do exist in higher dimensions too. Your higher dimensional existence is what is Nityatva. In Nityatva dimension, you exist, and your existence in higher dimension is Nityatva. How? In the length, breadth, depth dimension, your existence is this body. You exist as this body in the length, breadth, depth. In the higher dimension, Nityatva, maybe I can say Nityatva is the 7th dimension. See, length first, length, breadth, depth, time, space. These 5. The 6th dimension, listen carefully, the 6th dimension is what we hear as Nadanta or all the verbalization and visualization exists in the sixth dimension, where the words can become visual can become sound just by the will. This is sixth dimension. The seventh dimension is the dimension of Nityatva. If you all master Nityatva in this next 3 days, 72 hours, by the grace of Ganapati, Ganapati is always available, but don't take him for granted. Be grateful for being always available. Because he is always available, don't think anyway less. Be grateful to him. Gratitude, feeling connection, love, all this opens the higher dimensions simply to you, very easily to you. Just like that. Just like that, it opens to you. Understand? Even now I can see Ganapati with such a joy, clearing all the obstacles, blessing all of us, waiting for all of us to connect with him, to open the doors of Nityatva to all of us. Understand? At the age of 3, when I tried to connect with him, I did not have a formal initiation. I heard the story of Ganapati eating food of Nambiyandar Nambi from one great Saiva Siddhanta preacher, Sri Selvakanapati. And one word which he uttered just got stuck in my inner space. That Nambiyandar Nambi calls Ganapati, Mahaganapati Paramborule. வந்து என் பூஜையை ஏற்று உண்ணமாட்டாயா? That calling, the way Selvaganapati described, he is such an amazing teacher and preacher. The way he described, Mahaganapati Paramborule, that word just stuck in my heart. I came home and started doing the same. Of course, I did all my drama with Ganapati. I had many days playing with him, and it is not that day one he immediately ate. All that is different. All that I have described detailed 3-4 times in earlier satsangs. Please watch those satsangs to know the whole story. We have multiple times I have described the whole story. One thing I did with all my sincerity, I called Mahaganapati Paramburule. To come and have prasadam, nivedyam. Understand? As I described, in the earlier satsangs, when he ate, not only he gave me the Savikalpa Samadhi experience, he gave me such powerful experience of Nityatva. He opened the doors of Nityatva for me. It is such an extraordinary, eternal bliss. Listen. I am talking out of sheer truth, simple truth, and power of truth. Nityatva dimension exists. Mahaganapati will open the dimension for all of us. Connect with him, call him with this simple prayer, Mahaganapati Paramburule. It means that, O Ganapati, the ultimate existence, ultimate source. Parampurule means the ultimate existence. Understand? Many times I have told you, I am not the guy who tries to give you self-confidence, and I am not the person who tries to, I am not self-development teacher. I am a simple person revealing the sacred secrets from Kailasa. Self-development is not my brand. Giving you confidence is not my brand. That is not my job. My job is introducing Kailasa to all of you. Making all of you experience the higher dimensions of existence. From what I am teaching, you may have self-confidence, you may have self-development, but all that is a side effect. But my purpose is to give you the ultimate truth. Understand who is talking, then you will understand what I am saying. I have seen all kinds of people, good, bad, right, wrong, people who are ready to give their life for me. Just for me to have one meal, they are ready to sacrifice their life. That kind of devoted, dedicated people also I have seen. Just for them to have one cup of coffee, they are ready to take my life. I have seen that kind of traitors, drohis, trying to assassinate. I have seen that kind of criminals. Not one or two, gangs I have seen. Understand? With all this rich experience of life, I am telling you, I know how the real devotees come and evolve and reach the experience of Kailasa and start going higher and higher dimensions and enlightenment. Same way, I also know how these abusers come try to assassinate me, try to poison, try to do character assassination. I have seen not one gang, multiple people trying to do this kind of things: poisoning, assassination, character assassination, multiple levels of attacks. And I have also seen how Kalabhairava and Mahakali terrorizes these abusers, the people who try to attack me, or my Sangha who try to assassinate me, or my Sangha who try to disturb me or my Sangha in any way. How Kalabhairava and Mahakali terrorizes them and destroys them. I have seen everything. Understand how they themselves destroy themselves with their own anger, vengeance, negativity. I have seen all of it. With all this rich experience, I am very clear. I am not going to compromise on truth. I am not going to bend. I am going to reveal the space of Kailasa to all of you and connect all of you to the space of Kailasa continuously. From yesterday morning initiation into this Nityatva, so many places Ganesha started blessing people, drinking coffee, drinking chocolate, drinking milk, drinking water. And my team, which takes care of all my deities, they went and gave water to the original Ganesha who drank. Totally 4 Ganeshas drank on the day one. Day one when I fed my Ganesha. After that, I went and gave to 3 more Ganeshas in the home, in the house. In that 4, totally, then that 4 Ganesha, 3 Ganeshas are with us. One deity, we were not able to get it. 3 deities are with us. Our guys went and gave and immediately drank. From all corners, I have started getting the information. Ganapati is drinking and blessing people with that Nityatva experience. Then I requested him, can you extend 24 hours more? He said, come on, let's extend 72 hours. Give time for people to connect. So all of you understand, not only Ganapati gave me permission, he gave blessings. With his blessings only, I am opening up to all of you. Connect. I really tell you, connect. I don't care about abusers. Abusers always branded me as some. They have their own different way of branding me. To somehow avoid me. And the real devotees who feel connected, who knows me, who has experienced me, they know what I am talking. I am talking to real devotees. Who are really interested in connecting with Kailasa, raising the quality of your existence and manifesting enlightenment. I am talking for you. Understand? Understand? The real Nityatva space. Every being who connects with that Nityatva dimension becomes extraordinary being in the life. And for you guys, my devotees, my disciples, it is not difficult. That is the most important thing. Understand? Listen carefully. I'll tell you the importance of feeling connection. Actually, when you have a feeling connection, all these great truths, great things, just like that manifest in you. Nothing much is required. There is no need for any other effort. All effort is only to cognize higher dimension. When you have love with Guru, trust him. You know he doesn't lie. He will tell me only the truth. So if he is telling truth, that's all. I am taking it in. Then what happens? Without struggle of years and years, you internalize the great powers and experiences in just minutes. Your internal organs just beautifully digest these powers and stands up. I tell you, one small incident happened. Once Raghupati Yogi, after making me master the science of levitation, he used to take me everywhere, wherever he goes, and do this small power demonstration. Like how our Balasans go and do power demos everywhere, Raghupati Yogi used to take me to do the power demos. Mostly, he will start with the levitation. He will put some 4 bed and he will make me sit on that and then ask me that to inhale. And once I inhale and lock the samana into the system, then he knows that I am floating. He will pull all the beds and I will be floating there maybe for half an hour. When he wants me to settle down, he will call me. Of course, I'll be with the eyes open only. Then slowly I'll release that samana and body will settle down. He will take me for this small demos with small groups. Sometimes even the government school boys will come to the temple and he will gather all of them and then he will do the demo and inspire the boys to do yoga. Like this, in one small demo meeting, few boys got a little jealous. Why you are only making this boy? Means they were asking Raghupati Yogi, my guru, why he is making only me do all these power demos, all this demonstration. Then Raghupati Yogi said, he is the initiated person. They were asking, what is the need for initiation? What is the importance of initiation? We are all same. Why you are not giving that to us, only to him? It's a little jealousy conversation. Unfortunately, in those days itself, that atheism movement has started penetrating the kids, youngsters. Life is not equal. Everyone is unique. Every being is unique. So life is also unique for us. Understand, life is not equal. Everyone is unique. So life is also unique. So these boys have started questioning. He did a very simple drama. He called the 20 boys and made all of them stand. Gave them all 1 rupee coin. And made me also stand. In Tamil, there is a game called Puvatalaya game. Means head or tail. He asked all the 21 boys, come on. All of you throw the coin and have Puvatalaya. And he said, all the talai, means head, sit. And in that 21, 10 boys sat. So only 11 were there. Then he made again this 11 do that. It became like a number, less number. Maybe I think 7 or I don't know exact, I don't remember, but less number. Then again he made the remaining team do. It became less number. Again he made the remaining team do. It became less number. Finally, only 2, me and another one boy. He made both of us do. Again, finally, I was alone left. He said, if once this boy has won, it is probability. Twice, thrice, if he has won, possibility. All the time, if he has to win, it is because of initiation. Understand? 21 becoming 10, 10 becoming 7, or 7 becoming 4, 4 becoming 3, 3 becoming 2, 2 becoming 1. But whether 10 times or 11 times, all the time I won. Continuously. Understand? The probability, if it happens once or twice, if it happens little more number of times, coincidence. Then if it is more number of times, possibility. If it is till the end, it is because of initiation. Understand? But throughout that incident, I think half an hour, in that whole half an hour, even once I did not have a doubt I am going to be the winner, last winner. Standing and till the end, I am going to be the winner. I did not have a doubt even once. I just know the way the coin goes up in the air, the way it comes down and the way it rolls and the way it sits, everything is controlled by my Guru. Understand? When you have access to Nityatva dimension, you will have that tremendous peace settled in you. I tell you. This peace is what Kalabhairava and Mahakali gave me. See, in my life also I am seeing so many times the coins are flipped. I just know very clearly, I am not even looking at head or tail. I know. The way coins roll, the way it rolls, the way it falls, how it is going to settle down, everything is in the hands of Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali, who are absolutely in love with me, protecting me, supporting me, and manifesting through me. Understand that extreme sense of security, settled feeling. That is what is initiation. See, it is not that I did not flip the coin. I was continuously flipping. I did not stop my responsibility. I was doing everything what need to be done humanly. Internally, I know they are ahead of any step anyone can take. They are doing larger strategies and plans. And Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali are not only protecting me and our Sangha, they are expanding our Sangha. They are now bringing more and more powers of Kailasa and Jnana, Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana to all of us. Actually, with Ganapati manifesting from yesterday, one of the new dimension for the Sangha is beginning. This mass power manifestation, the gods and goddesses coming and playing, manifesting their leelas is beginning. Raghupati Yogi explained beautifully to those boys. The boys who won 2 times, it's like a probability. Who won 4 times, possibility. Who won 6, 7 times, coincidence, power of coincidence. Who won ultimately, power of initiation. Understand? Even if you have connected with Ganesha yesterday, whether he drank or not, again connect with him today. I'll give you a very systematically, I'll describe. First, sit. Remember Mahaganapati. Tell him, Mahaganapati Paramburule. To worship you, I am worshipping you. Remove all the obstacles. Give me success in experiencing Nityatva. Pray to him to remove the obstacles. Then remember Guru. The Guru's initiation. And then, because my Guru has initiated me and I am integrated to my Guru, O Ganapati, now please happen here. Open yourself. Mahaganapati Paramburule. Please come here. Accept this offering and give me the experience of Nityatva dimension. Experience of Nityatva. It is too simple. With the devotion, just it will open up. just it will open up. I tell you, for all the gods to come down to planet Earth and play amongst us, only the soul Nityananda Sangha is created. It is the gods and goddesses from Kailasa directly sent me to introduce them and the higher dimensions to the world, and for them to come and play. All our temples, ashrams, adinams, universities, gurukuls are the place where they are coming and playing. Each of our Balasant is a space I am creating for some god, goddess to manifest. Like how Skandamata I am grooming. Already the DNA of the Skandamata, Devi and Subramania's Shakti is there in the Skandamata. Now when she is growing up and I am grooming nicely, the DNA will open up and the Skandamata herself will manifest through Skandamata. So each of the Balasant is getting groomed for Parashakti, Paramashiva to manifest. Paramashiva's different dimension, Parashakti's different dimension to manifest. So all the Balasants today connect with Ganapati, all the Yuvarajas, Yuvaranis, Adinavasis, devotees, all of you connect with Ganapati with a deep prayerfulness, humbleness, love, devotion. Ask Ganapati to appear and manifest the space of Nityatva. Accept the offerings and open the space of Nityatva. Connect. I really tell you. Mahaganapati is blessing all of us. With his permission and blessing, I am initiating once again all of you. Connect today. When he accepts your offering, all the doubts in you will disappear. All the SDHD will just disappear. It will be so beautiful. Give multiple times. You yourself should not have any doubt. That many number of times give. Take 2-3 days off from your work. Nothing wrong. No work is that important. All work is stupidity. Connect with Mahaganapati. That is the first work in the life. See, once you connect with him and he opens the space of Nityatva, after that you can call him for anything. He is the guy who never gets irritated. He is extremely Saumya. Saumya means very beautiful. Pleasant guy. Once you connect with him, even for a small, the signal To change the signal, street signal from green to red also you can call him. He will not get irritated. Hey, you are calling for a small signal change and all me. He will not get irritated. He will say, all right, come on, I am doing it. Is Bholenatha too pleasant? Very easily available. And I tell you, these 2 days, even if you take off from work and just dedicate and connect with him, this will be the biggest treasure you will achieve in your life, because you can call him for anything you want. He will be the live 911 for you. Afterwards, you can call him. Even if you want to build muscles without working out, you can tell, hey, come on, do it. He will do it. You want your face to be shining, he will do it. For anything, because once the Nityatva dimension opens up in you, the matter energy conversion happens just by will, without any effort. That is the space, that Nityatva space. All the laws of the Nityatva, principles of the Nityatva, is the eternal principles ruling the universe. When somebody will die, when somebody will take birth, all that is based on the space of Nityatva only. That is where that operation of the administration of the multiverse happens. That's where the Yamadharma exists. That's a space of Kailasa, the dimension of Kailasa. All ashrams, temples, gurukuls, next 72 hours, 3 days, Mahaganapati has blessed. All of you sit and master this one, connecting with Ganapati and having the access, opening to the space of Nityatva. This is the biggest productivity you can have in your life. All incompletions will melt down. Next 3 days, in all our temples, ashrams, Adinavasis, Kailasavasis, for all of you, this is the only responsibility. This is the first priority and only priority. Sit with your Ganapati. Connect with him. Mahaganapati Paramburule. As I described, first ask Mahaganapati to bless and remove all the obstacles to experience Nityatva. And then, first ask Mahaganapati to remove all the obstacles, give the experience of Nityatva and accept the Nevedyam, food of you are offering. Please accept this and give me the Nityatva experience. For that, remove all the obstacles. Then, connect with Guru and remember the initiation I have given. Declare your integrity to me, Guru. Then, again connect with Mahaganapati. Mahaganapati Paramburule. Let Nityatva manifest in me. You are the source of Nityatva. You are established in Nityatva. So you manifest. Please take this. Accept this offering and give me the experience of Nityatva. Let me experience the dimension of Nityatva, eternity, by your grace. Repeated prayer becomes intense power manifestation technique. Repeated prayer breaks, melts all self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial, all the obstacles, patterns, everything is destroyed by repeated prayer. Repeated prayer melts down all the obstacles. That's the best way to connect. Do it. You are all blessed. You are all initiated. Whoever is declaring your integrity to me, I am giving you all this initiation. Connect with Mahaganapati. Master this Nityatva space. Next coming, most alive living God, Kalabhairava. I'll make you all do Akashic reading. You will all master the science of Akashic reading. First master the science of Nityatva. Connect with Ganapati and master the science of Nityatva in next 3 days, 72 hours. Next 3 days I am going to do satsang only on this and make you all manifest. Connect with Ganapati and manifest this Nityatva. Then Kalabhairava. Now, if you are in the temple, Adinam, Ashram, where Ganesha is there, sit with him. If you have your own Ganesha, you can have that Ganesha also and start connecting with Ganesha, connecting with the Nityatva. Meditate on this principal dimension called Nityatva and connect with Ganapati. Chant the Mahavagya. Call Mahaganapati. Mahaganapati Paramburule. Call him. Let's start.
Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Nityananda Paramashivoham Om 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्. Connect with Mahaganapati. Today is also Shankatahara Chaturthi in US, and maybe the yesterday's timing. In India it was Shankatahara Chaturthi. I did not know. Ganapati himself introduced himself, so I'm not surprised if there are more coincidences. Understand, I tell you. When you are put in the power, see, I know how all the kids stand in the stage while they are doing power demonstration. I tell you the secret. I also stood in the stage many times doing power demonstration, but all I know is my Guru is right. He is doing the whole thing. I just have my integrity with him. That's it. Go ahead. Have the same in your life. Have the same in your life. Have integrity to Guru over. Just start celebrating life. And next 72 hours, Ganapati celebration. Maha Ganapati is the only priority. Not just first priority, only priority. All our ashrams, temples, adhinams, gurukuls, SJPs, universities are place where gods and goddesses come down to play. They manifest to bless all the devotees and accept the puja, worship. It is the Archavatara, place where gods manifest as Archavatara and bless people. Understand? Let's start. Next 72 hours, connecting with Ganesha, manifesting Nityatva is the only priority. I tell you, remember Nityatva. That powerful cognition will manifest. Ganapati is the Lord of Nityatva. He will open the doors of Nityatva for all of you. Give the powerful cognition Nityatva and power manifestation of accepting your offerings. We should not even say it's a power manifestation. It is like a Ganapati manifestation. Ganapati is manifesting and blessing all of you, all of us with Nityatva. Connect. I am with you all. Once you start feeding and Ganesha accepts, you can even call public, other devotees, everyone. They can all feed and celebrate Ganesha. Make them all understand about the Nityatva dimension. Make them watch this satsang, enrich them, and make them also as part of this great celebration. So, let's enjoy Ganesha. Let's enjoy Nityatva. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.